Let's see what you got, my friend. Alright, opa.
And just for you to please.
I'm just telling you before, Hublot is not a watch that you're gonna make money there, okay?
No, I know.
You're gonna lose, but you have to be strong enough to hear my offer. This,
See, that's a change it.
and everything you have papers?
Yes. All of you.
What are we changing for?
I'll have to see Rolex.
1, 2, and a 3. 25K. Straight up. I think it's too much, but whatever.
Go a little bit higher.
Hublot top seller for me.
Sí. Eso caja original.
Sí, señor.
Son nuevos, ¿verdad?
Yes.
Vamos arriba.
24. 3 Hublots for 2 Rolex, man.
3 Hublot and 3,000.
Okay, 3 Hublot, 2 Rolex, and 3,000. Okay.
It's a little better.
A little better. Why do I feel that I lost on this deal, bro? I don't feel comfortable. 3 Hublot for 2 Rolex? I think you got me this time. So,
Sure, over time.
over time it's gonna even out.
Yeah, for sure.
Man, I got screwed here.